Why Voyager 1? It can also maintain contact. What kind of black technology did he use? This probe travels 17 kilometers per second. Why didn't it collide with other celestial bodies? From 1977 to the present, Voyager 1 has flown 24 billion kilometers. Yes, so far. The farthest man-made object from Earth. Why does he keep working so hard? How did he do it? If one day he loses contact with Earth, can you continue to fly at this speed? Today, we will uncover the mystery of Voyager 1 to learn the secrets he hides and the amazing stories behind it. In the late 1970s and early 1980s, in the solar system, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune will form a rare four-star streak phenomenon. This once-in-a-lifetime arrangement of planets appears once in about 175 years. To explore the sun up close, gaseous giant stars in the system, a great space exploration program was born. This is Voyager 1. In order to carefully build this spaceship, in order to complete the observation of the planets and the major mission of research, scientists equipped him with advanced scientific such as cosmic ray detectors and isoparticle detectors, magnetic agents and ultraviolet imaging systems, and other advanced detection equipment. There are also the most important black technologies. It is a special powertrain and communication equipment. These two black technologies became it on a long interstellar journey. Key equipment that keeps in touch with the Earth. September 5th, 1977, Voyager 1 probe successfully launched. He flew towards Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. After Voyager 1 passes through the orbit of Mars, the scientists became very nervous because he is about to pass through that dangerously planetary belt. Asteroid belt is located on Mars, and the region between the orbits of Jupiter, its horizontal span reaches 200 million kilometers. In this vast space, at least 500,000 asteroids. But what surprised the scientists was that when Voyager 1 enters the asteroid belt, I didn't see it densely packed in my imagination. The scene of non-stop collision. It's a lot emptier than I thought. By March 1979, Voyager 1 has finally reached Jupiter. He is not only unraveling the mystery of this gaseous giant star. It was sent back to us. Detailed photos of Jupiter's great red spot. Actually, there is another very important task to explore Voyager 1. With the attractive force of Jupiter, the gravitational field of Jupiter increased his speed to 37 kilometers per second. It only took a year and a half. Voyager 1 arrived near Saturn. He sent back tens of thousands of pictures of Saturn. So Voyager 1, in the process of exploring Jupiter and earth-shattering winds, has brought us countless valuable scientific data. But then this thing happened. Makes scientists very sad. He led Voyager 1, lost the opportunity to explore Uranus and Neptune. Before he went to explore Saturn's largest moon, he discovered that there are multiple liquid states on the surface of Titan, and it has a very dense atmosphere. It is because Titan's atmosphere is so dense, causing the probe to change its orbit. Approaching Titan deviates from the ecliptic plane. Therefore, the mission to Uranus and Neptune. February 14th, 1990, Voyager 1 flies past the orbit of Neptune. The scientists decided to let him look back at the Earth and took this famous picture of the pale blue dot. In the photo, the Earth is just a faint point of light, a speck of dust compared to the universe. Also on this day, Voyager 1 took a family photo of the solar system. This photo is a mosaic of 60 images. Then the scientist turned off all his cameras. From now on, Voyager 1 is headed outside the solar system. He is going to explore a farther unknown world. He wanted to explore the summit of the sun, to make particle measurements of the solar peak, and cross the heliopause into interstellar space, to see the edge of the solar system. What is the universe beyond? I didn't expect him to be gone for 48 years. Now, Voyager 1 is about 24 billion kilometers from Earth. He is still in touch with Earth. It keeps sending back to humans scientific data information. So how did he do it? Did you use any dark technology on him? Original Voyager 1 carried a number of vehicles that were the innovative technology of black technology ensures that he can operate stably for a long time. Also make sure he can keep sending back a wealth of valuable scientific data. The first is a strong energy system. On board Voyager 1, it's powered by a nuclear battery. And the way it works is it uses 2,380 It's converted to electricity through a thermoelectric converter. This design was very advanced at the time because it can stay away. The sun shines in the sky, provide stable power, solve the solar panels. The problem of not being able to work from a long distance. This is the nuclear battery power system, helping Voyager 1 in space. Continuous operation for 48 years. It can be said that the nuclear battery on him, a steady stream, little sun releasing energy. It gives Voyager 1 the power to keep flying. Secondly, advanced communication system. Voyager 1, equipped with a 3.7-meter diameter Gaozeng its main function is to communicate with the liftoff network on Earth. The most common question that people ask Voyager 1 so far from Earth. It can also maintain contact with the Earth. And the Wi-Fi in my house is 10 meters away. In fact, in order to cooperate with Voyager 1, stay connected. 3 liftoff network stations were specially constructed. The 3 launch networks are located in the United States and Australia. The cost of each and operating budgets are in the hundreds of millions of dollars. Communication with the Earth is mainly through band and X-band frequencies for information transmission. Design not only does it ensure the accuracy of the signal transmission, it also reduces interference to ensure that the antenna is always aimed at the Earth. Voyager 1 is also equipped with a very sophisticated navigation system. Scientists call it a star tracker. It calibrates its orientation by locking onto the sun. The flight data subsystem is then based on this information. Adjust the angle of the antenna. Keep the antenna firmly pointed at the Earth. Make sure the communication will not be interrupted. This communication system was available under the technical conditions even further of the time. Can still maintain two-way communication with the Earth. And the third is 3-axis stabilization, so that he can always find the Earth. Voyager 1 adopted the first advanced 3-axis stabilization system. This includes inertial measurement units, star tracker, and flight data self-system. Inertial measurement unit. It is the most accurate gyroscope. Ability to use the principle of inertia to sense star trackers lock onto the sun. To calibrate the direction, FDS takes that information, adjusts the angle of the antenna in real time. It's always aimed at the Earth. This system was available under the technical conditions capable of achieving extremely high accuracy. 48 years of its flight. Antenna deviation is still less than 0.1 degrees. The fourth is a sophisticated design and honor system. When designing Voyager 1, the engineers really racked their brains. It took into account every conceivable situation in order to keep him in the complex and changeable space environment. Voyager 1 has a very sophisticated design, and there's a whole honor system. It's a generational system, but it can greatly improve his reliability. His computer command system, dedicated to command and manage all the devices on the probe. Data processing and command capabilities super powerful, and his flight data subsystem is specifically responsible for collecting data from various scientific instruments. He not only has a fast transmission and very accurate. Here's the thing. These core computer parts are double backed up because what scientists are most worried about is something went wrong. So if the main system fails, the backup system can be pushed up immediately and continue to work. Make sure the detector doesn't stop easily. Voyager 1 also has 16 thrusters. These thrusters are like his little wings. Helps him move nimbly through space. 3 gyroscopes are particularly important. They're like balancers, responsible for keeping the spacecraft in a stable position. There are also 8 spare thrusters, just in case other thrusters fail. And then finally, there's remote reprogramming. Even if Voyager 1 is far away in space, scientists also have a way to analyze and adjust, and that requires remote reprogramming. Through this technology, scientists can travel on Earth. No one issued the order. Optimize performance for him or solve some problem. This allows Voyager 1 become more powerful and flexible. Data processing capabilities will also become faster. The reliability of his work in space. However, a malfunction occurred 3 years ago. Let the scientists break out in a cold sweat. June 2022, Voyager 1 suddenly had a problem. His posture, expression, and control spitting out strange sequences. This failure directly Voyager 1 for 5 consecutive months can't work properly. Fortunately, the detector itself is operating normally. Data such as speed and distance can be transmitted. You can also take orders from the Earth. After months of investigation, the problem was found on the computer. Fortunately, scientists successfully divided the code into several parts and adjust them to the relevant storage area. Successfully found a solution. As of June 2025, Voyager 1 is still working tenaciously, although his store has become less and less. Scientists estimate he has until 2030 at best. It runs out, and He could end the exploration mission prematurely until the day his power runs out. Voyager 1 will be out of touch with us forever, become a lonely spaceship in the universe. So after Voyager 1 lost contact with Earth, will continue at 17 kilometers per second. Scientists say even if Voyager 1 loses contact with Earth, he relies on inertia, continue on its current orbit towards the Milky Way forward, because there's very little drag in space, so he will continue to fly. If he carried the voice of the Earth gold record, could be discovered by an alien civilization in this will become the eternal seal that human civilization remember once in existed. The course of human space exploration, Voyager 1 flew alone for 48 years. He relies on a powerful energy system, stable communication system, and precise design. Remote reprogramming technology. Overcome difficulties again and again. Has brought us countless valuable scientific data. Let's explore the solar system and the deeper understanding. He is like a brave explorer, dashing tirelessly into the depths of the unknown universe. Become human, an immortal monument in the exploration of space.